Stone houses are timeless, but are they worth the investment? Dear friends, stone houses have a charm that never seems to go out of style. Their natural texture, solid appearance, and timeless character can make a home look beautiful for generations. But beyond appearance, are stone houses actually worth the investment? One major advantage is durability. Properly built stone walls can withstand harsh weather, moisture, and temperature changes better than many conventional materials. They can also require less exterior maintenance over time. Stone can also provide excellent thermal mass. It absorbs heat during the day and releases it slowly, helping indoor temperatures stay more stable. In the right climate and design, this can improve comfort and potentially reduce energy costs. However, there are some important drawbacks. Natural stone is usually more expensive to purchase and install than brick, concrete, or siding. Skilled workmanship is essential, and construction can take longer. Repairs can also be complicated because matching the original stone and mortar may be difficult. And if insulation is not designed properly, a stone house may not deliver the energy efficiency you expect. So, is it worth it? If you value longevity, natural beauty, and low-maintenance exterior finishes, a stone house can be an excellent long-term investment. But if your priority is a lower upfront budget or faster construction, other materials may make more financial sense. Stone is timeless, but make sure your budget and building design are timeless too. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.